Hopefully this is more of a niche video, but if there's at least one person out there that benefits from watching this, then there you go, you're welcome. So if you just installed your brand new hatch struts to replace your old ones or whatever reason, like I did with the Z1 motorsports struts, and you find yourself unable to close the hatch, you might be thinking that you need to adjust these clips down here, or that you might have installed something too tightly or in the incorrect order. Well, hopefully I'm here to tell you that your line of thought is wrong and you did everything right. If everything's tightened down correctly to spec and everything, you probably just need to push down on the hatch more than you previous would expect. So it is a little tight since it's freshly installed, but some of you might need to use two hands to pull it down or use your body weight. So really, you might be finding yourself like this, struggling, because it is kind of heavy, or it is pretty strong. So really just use your body weight and maybe drop or use two arms like this. And there you go. You're able to shut it. So hopefully this is helpful to you guys, at least one person out there.